Hey, thanks for joining me today. I want to share with you a little keto snack fast food that you can find out there in the world. This is the second time that I've gotten it. It's pretty hearty, and I actually really enjoy this when I find it in one of the convenience stores or in the grocery store because it is definitely a nice boost or kick when you need something to eat, and it's really hard to find keto foods out there. So let me All right, these are the guys we're looking at today. They have 2 slices of cheese and then a slice of hard salami in the center. So it's like a sandwich. They're kind of thick. It's pretty hearty. And so for the whole package, you're getting 23 grams of fat. You're getting 14 grams of protein, and it's got 1 carb and 1 sugar, which is phenomenal. And so sugars convert into carbs, like 0.8 carbs. So less than 2 carbs for this. It's actually pretty filling, pretty tasty. And so you got the pepper jack cheese, and you also have the Colby Jack. They also have one that is a mild cheddar cheese as well, but they didn't have that at this location here. And so I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show you, but it's pretty hearty. So if you see here, it's bigger than my hand, and I actually have pretty big hands. And then when you bite into it, it's got a pretty thick piece of the hard salami, pretty thick pieces of cheese. It's really, really good. Definitely hits the spot when you're hungry. You need something that's quite filling, and you can't really find anything that is keto friendly out there in the world. So hopefully this was helpful. And the pepper jack has a little bit of a kick there to it. You really don't taste it when you bite it, but as you chew it up, it's got a little bit of spice there in the back of your throat. So not bad at all. If you like it, smack that thumbs up, and definitely check out some more keto videos. We're going to be doing a big playlist of keto recipes, keto videos, and then we're also going to be having a bunch of keto giveaways. So like supplements, stuff like that. A lot of keto products we're going to be giving away. So make sure that you're a subscriber. Hit that thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe, we do all sorts of videos. We do healthy recipes, keto diet. We do make money, save money, green projects, family fun, reviews, all kinds of stuff. So check us out. Thanks for watching.